How you doing, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your coffee maker. If your coffee maker turns on but doesn't boil water, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I'm gonna use this Black & Decker. Just move this out of the way. We need to remove the cover. Then we need to remove this bracket. It's holding the well. Then you will see two metal clips. They're holding the thermostat. This little round white part is the thermostat. Follow the wire that goes behind the thermostat. This one. On the back, you will see the two clips. Remove this one first. Then remove this one. Try to get this part out. When you get it out, remove this wire from the thermostat. Now remove the rubber sleeve, and then you will see these two fuses. These fuses are called thermal cutoff fuses. This is why your coffee maker doesn't work. They went out. In mine, I already replaced them. By the way, I bought these ones on eBay. They come in a package of 5 or 8. They're for both. They're under like $5-6. They're real cheap. I can say to take a picture before you remove the old ones. Take a picture or write down in a schematic or something that way you don't forget how you put them back. On the fuse, they have some numbers. This one, in mine, this one reads 240 Celsius, and this one is at 216 Celsius. Try to get the same kind. It's on your coffee maker. Put the new ones on. I use the same little metal clips. Put your sleeve back. Make sure you put it all the way. We don't want any metal part touching, because then you're gonna burn down your coffee maker or your house. We don't want that. Then after you've done that, just put the first fuse right here underneath the metal clip again. Make sure the clip is all the way in. Then grab the other clip. Find your second fuse, it's right there. Put it across the body, like that. Then install your other end of the wire back in your thermostat. Like that. And you're almost done. Just put the metal bracket back. Then make sure you put everything back the same way you got it out. And put the cover. two screws back. And you're done. It's ready. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos every week, how to fix stuff. See you next time. Thank you for watching.